After buying guns from Outpost, we made our way to the giant excavator. Little did we know what we would get into.
All you.
Hit a board. Is he down?
Don't run.
Nice.
Yeah, he's dead. Vanish.
One. Yeah. Hey, keep close. Kill another zombie. You killed AK?
One for AK? Yeah, I'm going for him.
Okay. Yeah, pull in. Good. Camper's driving away. I need to live in this base right here. 190.
On the rock.
Dead.
Sorry, in front of us.
I did it.
I'm
Hey, yo.
dead.
Oh shit. I want him. I'm alive. He's low. Reload.
Very dead.
He's 1 HP.
Right, easy. On the wall.
Okay.
Nice.
Kill Star in the back. So bad. Might die in a second. Tommy's on my side. Kill Tommy on my side. Oh shit, he's in the back.
Wait, is MP5 still on the roof? I'm
Wait.
not
In fact, straight AP. No, I'm dead, bro. No, the guy just came out naked.
Guns, took a DB back out, snowball again.
Wait, go.
Alright here.
Kill Tommy.
You're left. Oh, it's ours. Coming up the hill right now. Nice, I'm looting him. Watch it.
He took kill.
Oh, I'm about to die to beat you good. Bro, like, wow.
I'm dead to the MP. There's 2 of them up there. Wait, guy right here.
Sorry, come on us. Are you dead?
He's not moving. Try and loot. This is the kid that I DB'd. I cannot find a star. Hold up. Oh, I got it. So you need 5-5?
We got a left too.
He's close. Okay, Jim, nice.
Dead. I'm so low.
Okay, we go with space. We go with space.
I'm backing up.
Yeah. He's gonna be right above us to the right.
Yeah.
Yep. On our left too. Our naked footsteps. MP dead.
Come on, a little more.
He's Hazy, bro. Yeah, he's probably dead.
Where's this?
Yeah. On me.
Rub it up. Loot him.
Follow me.
Get torch out.
Shut him. In the base.
So we're cheating.
Grab the
the
AK.
block. Okay.
I gotta get run.
Run.
Why are we cheating with the block?
Hey, chill. He might keep downhill. Yeah. He's keeping down. Come here. I don't know.
Double him. Oh my god.
Another one's
Double
on
him.
down. Yeah. Nice. Redemption.
Hit him.
Dead.
Three. He's dead. No. We just need him. We had him 3. He's dead.
Yeah, he's dead.
Wait. You're
Dead. Killed naked.
No. One to the right.
To the right?
He's 1 HP. I think I killed him. I don't know.
Yeah, he F1. He's literally
After
me
all
like
these fights,
directly
we
at
decided to
me.
take 2 AK
Literally
kits
below
out
this rock on me.
and went crazy.
Oh yeah, wait. Kill him right now.
I can't. I feel this rock.
Bye.
Meh. MP. I can't see.
I'm nading him. Hold on.
Nading.
Oh, he's nading me.
Headshot. He's dead.
Oh wait, I left you mad.
I can live.
Right.
Oh, good one.
I'm coming up behind you.
He's on the like little building part.
I see him. You see him up there?
Hit him once. Headshot hit.
He might be dead.
No.
You know. I don't even see him. Oh, there's a full kit in front of you.
Yeah.
On the base.
Right.
Alright, 3.
Headshot him. Nice.
Triple him. Might be more.
Yeah. I'm near right. You can't wall left.
Oh, naked back.
Kill one. Pull up.
He's naked back on the bottom.
Yeah. Dead. Watch top hill. Maybe Tommy top hill. I'm gonna full wall up. I'm gonna full wall up on blue bodies. Bro, full infinite farm. Full infinite farm. Or.
Just loot your body.
Should have. Got on B.
Where's that?
He's sitting in the cave base. In the cave base. Wait, King, aiming me. Roof. Let me start at. I won. He's on the bottom backside. Dead.
There's AK up
Nice.
hill, AK
AK towards base. AK towards base. Yeah.
He's not gonna see us when we get on the map.
Headshot hit him.
Alright, let's go. I'm just gonna go on the base.
Yeah. Yeah. There's no shot APs. Sure, headshot.
One. Still AK over there.
Is he dead? I think.
I killed AK4.
Has headshot double hit. He should be dead. He's got AK and face mask. Or and M30.
Yeah, AK over here far. I killed him.
Okay. Stars dead at collector.
Are you good?
Yeah. No, he's on these mountains, like, you're right. Oh, he's just trained.
After this, the server started to die down. We ended up getting off for the night. Waking up the next morning, we were offline. If y'all boys did enjoy it, make sure to like and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.